Hello and welcome back to my channel for another episode of Simply Delicious Cooking. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make my juicy fried stew from the scratch. And this stew is so tasty and it can be enjoyed with anything, any swallow, rice, beans, yam, plantain, and just anything. And it is so delicious and so nutritious. If you're interested, come on into my kitchen. These are the ingredients that we need to make our juicy stew. Here we have dawa, which is also called ihu. We have salt. We have mixed blended dry fish and prawn and crayfish. Here we have oil, vegetable oil, and Maggi cubes, tomatoes. We have a green pepper, spicy pepper, banana pepper, onions. I have a lot of onion because onion, I love onion so much. It gives a lot of taste to your food. And here we have the red bell pepper. Here we have the green bell pepper. Here we have this a secret spice to spice up the taste of food. Then here the meat we are going to use is a mixture of brisket, goat meat, and turkey neck. So it's a lot of cuts and cube meat. The meat is cut into moderate sizes. When the meat is cut into moderate sizes, it is very easy for you to enjoy, to pick up with your fork when you are eating. Now let's blend the pepper together. The pepper, the tomato, everything mixed has been blended. So now I'm gonna have some chopped onions. I have the pots warming up on the stove, and I'm going to add vegetable oil. We're going to allow the vegetable oil to heat up a little. So the oil has heated up. I'm going to add onions. And I'll add the dawa. Add some salt. Careful, the meat has salt. And add the blended pepper. Cover it. So now the pepper has warmed up. Now we're going to add the fish and the blended dry fish. Then the Maggi cube seasoning. Then the meat. mixture. But to make a tasty stew, do not add water to your pepper when blending. Do not add too much tomatoes, and add your meat and other ingredients immediately you pour in your pepper in the oil. Stir it. This is good. Salt. The salt is good. And the rest of them. There's the rest of the blended crayfish and dry fish. So now cover it and let it continue to cook. Check. Still, it's right. Fine, it's stirring. It's just stir. Make sure nothing is burning, and it continues to fry. Yes, we can see that the stew is dry. It's well fried. As we can see that the oil is on the top, and we can also see that the meat are so marinated in that they look so juicy and they taste so juicy because they are well soaked with the sauce, with the stew. Yes, and this doesn't take much time because there's no water in your pepper when you are blending it. So, and it will give you taste, the natural taste of all the ingredients. And when I'm making stew, I don't put too much tomatoes in my stew, so that's helped my stew to taste good. So yeah, this stew is so useful, it's so tasty, and you can use it to enjoy anything. You can use it to enjoy your swallow, your rice, your plantain, your beans, anything. And here I'm going to enjoy this one with my spinach rice, which is so yummy, and the meat just sinks into your mouth, and it's so juicy. If you like this video, like and share to your families and friends, and try the recipe, and watch more videos on my channel. Thanks for your time, and bye for now.